Welcome back to Beginner's Luxe, where we make food that looks expensive, tastes divine, and takes less time than a skincare routine. Today's recipe: basil oil that'll capture summer magic in a bottle. This is a vibrant, aromatic herb oil that's perfect for drizzling over pasta or grilled veggies. Start with about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves. You can find these in the produce section of your local grocery store. Or if you're like me, somewhere out on your back deck where you have largely ignored all of your plants for the last month. Make sure to wash them and gently pat them dry, then remove the leaves from as much of the stem as you have patience for. While your leaves are drying, start a pot of water boiling on the stove so we can blanch them to get the best flavor possible. Once your water is boiling, add your basil leaves and stir for about 15 to 30 seconds. Immediately scoop them up and then dunk them in an ice bath. Give your basil a minute or two to just chill out, and then transfer them into a blender with about 2 cups of neutral oil. Now you can blend those beauties for about a minute. Or if your blender has seen better days like mine, you might need to let it run a little longer until your oil has a nice green color and only small bits of the leaves are visible. And now you have basil oil. Optionally, if you want a cleaner look, you can strain your oil to remove any of the remaining pieces of leaves. I also tried to cook mine again on low heat for a few minutes after blending and straining. I read somewhere that this would improve the color, but I didn't see any additional results, so I would say that this step is optional as well. I could also just be doing it wrong. I am no professional. So after you've gone as far as you feel like with your oil straining and refining process, transfer it into a Tupperware or squeeze bottle. And there you have it. Homemade basil oil to make your date night plates fancy AF. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe for more recipes with a champagne taste on a spaghetti budget. Have a favorite way to use basil oil? Drop it in the comments. I would love to hear.